Hi everyone, my name is Josie Calamaio and I will be your student sixth grade teacher, or if you're a student watching this, I will be your sixth grade teacher at Rising Star this year. I wanted to walk you through my website just to kind of give you an idea of where you can find information and give you a little preview of this year. So welcome, and I'm so thrilled to be your teacher. I think it's going to be an amazing year and I'm really excited to meet all of you. So if you look, so this is our homepage. Under contacts, there is my name, my number, my email address, also just basic school contact information. If you call or email, just give me 24 hours, just kind of as a safe bet to return your call or email. Sometimes it will be quicker than that, but just kind of a safe gauge. Under classroom, there's general information. And at Rising Star, we are safe, responsible, and respectful. And we also use and follow the BIST goals for life. And so that is here for you to view. Also, birthdays, as just a reminder, no sweet treats. It is a big deal. We still want to celebrate birthdays. So if you want to send in like pencils or just some kind of fun little trinkets, things like that. I also plan on letting students pick a fun brain break or activity for us to do on their birthdays, so it'll still be a good time. Also in our classroom, there is a homework section. We're not going to have a ton of homework, but we are going to have weekly spelling lists and tests on Friday. We will have a reading log, so just plan on reading 10 to 15 minutes per night. And then we will have a binder with a log in there that if a parent signs, then you will get a Starbucks to use in the school store. Oops. I also added the schedule. So here's our daily schedule. So we start with our morning meeting. We've got specials first thing off, math, language arts. We have some recess in there, lunch, and then we end the day with social studies. When time is a 45-minute time, it stands for what I need. And so that's a time when we'll be doing extension activities, maybe some review, or if you're absent, maybe you'd like make up a test, something like that. So it's what I need during that time. Here's our ABCD schedule. My site's still kind of a work in progress, so I will also add our actual schedule, like when we have our specials on which day. Okay, the Moose Binder. So we're really going to focus on organizational skills this year. And on the supply list, it asks for a accordion folder, or really any kind of binder you wanted. The best, if you haven't gotten your supplies yet, is just to buy a basic binder, 2-inch, 3-ring binder with like the plastic on the front and the back that you can put a sheet of paper in. And also when you open up, it has the two plastic parts for you to basically also put some information and some paper in there. So MOOSE is an acronym. It stands for Managing Our Organizational Skills Every Day. We will set these up in class. They will go to and from school each day and require a parent signature, but they also will get a Starbucks for every time they get a signature for that. And they can use that in the school store as a reward. I went ahead and added what's inside my Moose Binder just to give you an idea, like what you would put in the inside front cover pocket, inside back cover pocket, and you can kind of read through these. Spelling sleeve, math sleeve. The planner that your kiddos will fill out every day with their classwork and any homework that we might have, maybe a project, something like that. And there'll also be a take-home folder. So I thought that would be really helpful to have just a like not a large binder, but organized and goes to and from school each day. I think that would be very helpful for your student. And lastly, I added curriculum. I'm not going to read through all of this. You all can read through this whenever you have time. But basically, reading English language arts is going to be writing, grammar, reading comprehension, vocab, things of that nature. Social studies is ancient civilizations. Science will be, and the students will be analyzing and interpreting like chemical reactions and like kind of some simple engineering skills. Math is going to get kids ready for algebra. We've got some health that we're going to do, and then of course we've got some dibbles and our map testing, which I'm sure you all have had experience with. If not, we will explain that at a later date. Once again, that wraps up so far anyway my Google site. I probably will be adding some more things to that. But if you ever have any questions, any comments, any concerns, please reach out to me. My contact information I've already shared, and I would love to hear from you. Can't wait to meet everybody, and I'll see everyone either tomorrow night for back to school night or Monday for school.